Ever since KANU, the only true national party which was founded by Raila was ODM. ODM was everywhere. That one we must accept as a fact. But Ruto came to kill this party called ODM. We gave him a chance that don't kill our party. If Ruto loved Raila the way he says he loved Raila, he could not kill the party founded by Raila Amolo Odinga. That a party which in every election had a presidential candidate. This is the year, or next year is the year, when ODM is not going to have a presidential candidate. What a shame. Shame. What a shame. Shame. And then, the person who made sure that Raila was never president of the Republic of Kenya, which is Ruto, because he ran away from Raila in 2017. He ran away from Raila. And in 2022, instead of saying, I can give this patriot an opportunity to become the president of the Republic of Kenya, he was there as Raila's opponent. Now Raila's opponent and political enemy has been brought to us as the Luo community as the best friend. A person who could not sacrifice for Raila want to sacrifice for Raila after Raila has died. We want to tell Ruto Raila is alive. And Raila is alive because we are in the one-term movement to make sure that just like you took Raila home in a wheelbarrow to Bondo, we don't want to kill you like Raila was killed. We will take you back to Sugoi alive to live with your people.